Hi my loves, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got for my 22nd wedding anniversary. I also have a little giveaway for you guys as well. And yeah, some exciting news. So I'm going to get right into the unboxings and show you the first thing that I picked up from Van Cleef and Arpels. Okay, so in this bag here, I got... Now, they always give you a lot of booklets and everything, but I probably don't think you guys are interested in that. But I always love getting their catalogs and having a look at all their jewelry pieces and everything. And let me show you what's in this little box. You guys know in my recent shopping vlog, when I was in the car, I said I did get a piece, but I haven't shown you yet. So this is the piece I'm talking about, and then I'm going to reveal what I picked up from that day. So in here, I got, so it's a little box, but I thought it was so pretty, and it is, dun dun dun. Yes, this is the 2021 Holiday Pendant. And I just loved it. I just thought the pink was beautiful. This holiday pendant is in a stone called rhodonite. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I love it. It's a darker sort of pink. And I like that the stone is sort of speckled. It's supposed to be that way, though it varies from stone to stone. And the center has a diamond in it, and it's in 18 karat rose gold. So let me put it on for you. And yes, so this was released in October, 1st of October. So I did get it early October, but I wanted to wait till November because November is, you know, our wedding anniversary. And Van Cleef and Arpels have been doing these limited edition pendants since, I believe, 2005. So they're so popular. And this year was no exception. Yeah, people definitely collect these pendants. So let me quickly put it on for you. Okay. So there we go. That's what it, let me just center it. So now I have got it on. Now I think the camera might be blowing it out, but you know, I've put close-ups and everything of it. This has been all over Instagram. I'm very late to unbox it, but I was so excited to get my hands on it because yeah, as I said, it came in limited quantities, so I was rapt to get it. Now let me tell you the price of this necklace, and this is the receipt, and of course it comes with an extra little cute little travel pouch and cleaning cloth as well. It's always nice to have, you know, those extras. And this holiday pendant retails for 5,500 Australian dollars. So that is the very first item that I got from Van Cleef. So the other really exciting news I have to tell you is that I have my next creation, so the next part of my second capsule for Lilysilk, and this has been so requested. I always get asked whenever I wear one of my favorite skirts. It was this gold pleated skirt that I bought from Korea maybe 4+ years ago when I went with my bestie. Anyway, I always get asked. I have searched online everywhere for something similar and I could not find it. And so because I love pleated skirts so much, I thought, you know what? Why not create a better and more luxurious version of my favorite skirt? And also this is dedicated to my late mother-in-law. So I have named this skirt the Stella Skirt. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So this skirt here, ta-da, is my new Lilysilk skirt, and it is based on my favorite skirt, but there are quite a few differences. Firstly, the material is completely different. I got this material specifically sourced from South Korea as well, and in terms of the length, I've adjusted it slightly because the other one was a little bit long. And in terms of my original skirt, it only came in one size fits all. So this comes from extra small to extra, extra large. And I know it's all the details that really matters to me, and it took a couple of rounds, but even the elastic, I wanted to ensure that the elastic was really comfortable. You know how sometimes elastic can be really hard? This is really soft elastic. And you know me, I always say this, I love an elastic skirt because why do you have to compromise, you know, fashion and food? You can be comfortable all day in this, and it actually makes you look slimmer. So firstly, I did want to pick this beautiful gold because it is similar to my favorite skirt, but it is a different gold. It's more shimmery, but I also added another layer inside, which is all in silk. And that's one thing about my original skirt, which I didn't like. The original material sometimes could feel a little bit scratchy, but this one here, because it's got the 100% silk layer underneath, it feels luxurious and so comfortable. So the size that I'm wearing is a small, and I'm usually an Australian 8 or US 4, but it does have a lot of room. I'm actually wearing the silver now. So it comes in 3 colors. It comes in the gold, it comes in the black, and it also comes in a beautiful silver. I thought this skirt would be the perfect year-round skirt, and I wanted to release it now because it's the festive season, and how beautiful would this be to wear during Christmas? But you know what? You don't have to just wear this for dressy occasions. I've worn this with sweaters, with hoodies, and this is a type of skirt you can dress up or dress down. And it's got this beautiful mesh layer so that you just see that little bit of leg, and I think whenever you show just that little bit of leg, it always makes your legs look longer. So whether you're petite, you know, I had one of my friends try this on. I even had Miss S try it on. So Miss S is like 5'1". I'm about 5'5", and I got my sister to try it on, who's 5'7". It suits all heights, and I wanted the length to be longer like midi, but because it's got this layer, it still looks a little bit sexy as well with that little peekaboo through mesh. You can wear it with heels or with boots. It looks great with everything. So the best part of it all is that it is so affordable. This skirt is only 125 USD. If you were to find a skirt like this lined in silk, you will be paying a lot more. So I wanted, Lilysilk just do great affordable luxury. They've got their early Black Friday sale, which has started. So it's even better because you can buy one and get the second 40% off. And then as always, because you guys know I work with Lilysilk for so many years, they've given me the best discount code in terms of any influencer. So it is just MIM16. I've worn these 3 colors already so much. And I wanted to really thank you guys, like from the bottom of my heart, from my very first creation, which was the MIM 2-in-1 silk shirt. You guys loved it. And up to this day, Lilysilk have kept it in their range, and I have to thank you for it. And it's been so popular that they asked me to release 2 more colors. So yes, what I'm wearing now, it is my MIM 2-in-1 silk shirt. So it's exactly the same. It's based on Lilysilk's 2 bestsellers. So I could have combined elements of both. So it's got the hidden buttons, which makes it really sleek, but I added the little bit of Mel touch with these beautiful gold buttons, this elongated cuff. So it just looks really elegant. Now what I've done is I've tucked in the collar, so you can actually wear it as a V-neck blouse like this. But the best thing is that I have made the tie removable. So if you want to dress it up, you can absolutely just hang it loosely like this. I've worn this as a belt. I've worn it wrapped as a twilly. And this is actually a shirt, so it does have a collar, but I just tucked it in. But you can wear it as like a bow tie blouse as well. It just looks gorgeous. So the 2 new colors I've come out with is this beautiful lilac. And don't think lilac is just a summer color. It looks gorgeous with navy. I've worn lilac in autumn, winter as well. It looks so chic. It's sort of like, you know, winter white. White's not just for spring, summer. And I think also colors don't have to just be for spring, summer. So the second color I did, and I really wanted to do this color because Lilysilk didn't have anything in their sort of silk shirt offerings, is this beautiful sort of ice blue. And it's probably going to come out quite pale, but it is, you know what? It reminds me of Hermes Blue Glacier. It is a blue, but it's got an ever slight undertone of gray, but it's lighter. And it's just, I wanted a cool tone as well. Besides warmer tones, absolutely hear your feedback. And you guys would say, Mel, I have been really finding it hard to find a really nice blue that doesn't look too uniform like, and I thought this beautiful ice blue would be perfect, and it just goes so well with gold and the buttons as well. So these are the two colors, and this is 135 USD. So if you wanted to make use of Lilysilk's fabulous Black Friday sales, just make sure you enter my code, which is MIM16. So that's only valid for 24 hours only, and then it will just revert back to my usual discount code. But as I said, any extra discount I can get you, of course I want to. But you can use it on anything on their site. You know, I love their pillowcases, I've got their pajamas, so anything you want. Buy one, get the second one 40% off. So just say you wanted to buy the MIM 2-in-1 silk blouse or my new Stella skirt, named after my late mother-in-law, who also loved pleated skirts. That's why I thought the name would be perfect. It equates to only, after all the discounts, about 176 US dollars. So I think for two pieces, being under 90 US dollars each for silk pieces and a gorgeous pleated skirt, it's a pretty good deal. So I'll leave all the links down below. I did also want to let you know that this comes in other colors. So for the festive season, if you wanted, you guys have seen me wear these so many times. If you wanted to wear my beautiful signature emerald green one or a red one, how perfect is this for Christmas? So I just wanted to show you that, but it comes in a lot of colors. You don't just have to get that. So that's what I want. That was my bit of exciting news I wanted to tell you. And as I said, it's part of my November to remember, because I wanted to tie it in with my anniversary. November's a special month for me. So I still have to tell you about the giveaway, which I'm going to tell you in a second. Okay, let's talk about the giveaway. So you guys know I'm currently running a giveaway at the moment where I am giving away this YSL clutch you can turn into a crossbody bag. The insert's coming really soon, guys. I will leave the video link up above if you haven't entered. There's less than a week to go. But as I told you, this isn't the only giveaway that I'm doing for my November to remember. So I asked you guys on my community post, what card holder would you like me to give away? YSL, Gucci, or Loewe? So I think 63% of you voted YSL. But you know what? I think giving you choice is always great because still 40% of you, I think 20% voted Gucci and almost 20% voted Loewe. So I thought, let me just show you mine. So this is the YSL card holder. This is mine. I love it. It comes in so many different colors. So basically the giveaway is you can pick the card holder of your choice. So you either can pick YSL, you can pick the Gucci Marmont card holder. This is my sister's in blue, but it comes in a lot of colors as well. You can pick Burberry. It's up to you, or you could even pick $250 US PayPal cash. So all you need to do is make sure you're a subscriber of my channel, like this video, and then thirdly, comment what would you pick if you won. Would you pick the YSL card holder, Gucci, Burberry, Loewe, or the $250 PayPal cash? It's completely up to you. I just thought it would be nice to give you the choice. And don't forget to leave an email or your IG name so it's easier to contact you if you win. So the mandatory step is just YouTube. It is completely up to you, but you can go over to my Instagram and I'll just have a post there and you can comment on that post if you wanted bonus entries and you'll have all the instructions there. But that is just bonus. You don't have to do that. This is really just YouTube. So this one here, I'm only just going to leave open for 2 weeks and then I'll close it. So that is my second prize for my November to Remember giveaways. And then lastly, let me show you what I got when I went on the shopping trip. I think so many of you guessed, VCA, there are so many things I want, but I don't want to just add a whole bunch. I like to add Van Cleef and Arpels pieces for special occasions. So whether that's a birthday or anniversary or something special, I don't want to just add it for no reason. It kind of commemorates that experience. Then I remember it. So I just think that's special. That's just for me anyway. So, you know, my essay's always so lovely. In this little bag here, she just gave me a Van Cleef and Arpels candle. So I just thought I'll show you that really quickly. I love candles and, you know, VCA candles smell beautiful. So it just, let me just quickly show you. It just looks like this. So I can smell it already and it's called rose velours, I believe, and it's got this beautiful silver lid as well. I actually own one of these. I think I've already used it up. And then in here, let me just get straight to what I got. As I said, she always gives me these beautiful booklets. I just love learning the history of a brand and everything like that. So these books are gorgeous, but I'm sure you guys just want to see what's in here. So in here I got, and this has been on my wish list for a while. I actually have, to be honest, I have a few things on my wish list, but you know, slowly let's add it. And dun, dun, dun. Yes, guys, I got the beautiful Frivole earrings in the large model. I just love them. You guys know I am a huge fan of the whole Alhambra collection. Obviously, I bought the Holiday Pendant, but I just wanted to try something from the Frivole. And also, you guys know I love bigger size earrings. I love the magic size. I have the malachite. Hopefully I will add more, but I just wanted to try this, and I'll insert a pic of me wearing it. I just loved it. I put it on and I fell in love. Originally when hubby saw this, he was like, not sure. And then I put it on and he's like, I love it on you. I actually really liked the 10 and 20 motif necklace as well. But this one, it's actually harder to get than I thought. I ordered it and it took ages to come in. So I'm just so rapt to add it. And let me tell you the price of this, because this is quite expensive as well. I think people think it's a lot cheaper than the Alhambra, but it's not. And you know, guys know I always reveal price. So this was $9,550. Yes, I know it is expensive. Obviously, it is cheaper if you buy the smaller model. It does come in the smaller size as well. But for me, I definitely wanted the bigger size. It's just that with my earlobes, I tend to suit the bigger sized version. So that is my final reveal, and I'm absolutely wrapped with what I picked. So guys, that is it for this video. What I got for my 22nd wedding anniversary. Hubby and I also did a mini staycation, so I've got a vlog coming up on that. We just wanted to share a little bit of that experience with you guys because we tried a really great restaurant that I want to introduce you guys to. And part of this video, I just want to thank you so much. These little giveaways that I do, whether it's a bag or it's, you know, a card holder, I just want to be able to do as many as I can for you because I'm really, really so grateful for your support. I know I keep saying it and it sounds a bit cliche, but it really does mean so much to me. Every time you guys comment or like my videos, it means so much. And the fact that you support me and with my creations like the Lilysilk and you love them, it really means so much. So if you have any feedback or you're like, Mel, I would love to see this or that, please let me know. I always take your feedback on board. I always want to learn and grow. And I just thank you so much for everyone that has purchased my shirts already. I have they put on their page like a Mim times Lilysilk collection because I have done a few pieces for them. So do make use of the offer. My Mim 16 only lasts 24 hours and you get an additional 16% off on top of all their Black Friday offers. Anyway, I'll leave everything linked down below. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Big kisses. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, guys, if any of you do buy any of my Lilysilk pieces, whether it's the new skirt or shirt or other creations that I've done in the past, please do tag me on my Instagram stories. It makes me so happy to see you guys wearing what I created. I absolutely love seeing how you guys style pieces. So please do tag me and I'll love to share.